viewers is and now viewer gender. So you will get to see about the viewer gender. Here you can see male, female, and user specify. If you want to know how people enjoy your videos, if they are male, female, or some other user specified, you can get to see here. That might be helpful sometimes. Similarly, viewers age might be helpful as well for you to make content for them. Now going to the date, all of your videos date will be seen here, when you have published them and how well is it doing. So you can know if it has been making progress in the certain date, or here you can see last 7 days. You can change that. Similarly, going to the playlist, once you make a playlist, you will see the playlist analytics here. You can see how well the playlist has been doing. As earlier I told that if you create 10 videos of Minecraft, and now here you will get to see about the each and every video about the playlist, what is the watch time, what is the average view duration, and what are the views you are getting on that playlist. Similarly, now let's go to device type. Right now we don't have anything for that. Once you get views, then the device type from which your videos are being viewed will be available here. What kind of people will be interested in your video will also be cleared after the device type. Similarly, you can click on more and know video type, YouTube product, playback location, operating system. Also, if you have added subtitles to your videos, you can learn about the analytics of the subtitles. You can see the translation use, indiscriminate element type, that is like you might have seen some videos in which at the last there appears the channel logo with the button of subscription, so that you can click on that and subscribe. If for everything, you can see the analytics here. There can be cars, there can be sharing service. You can click on any of them and see their analytics here. Right now we don't have anything, so similarly, going to the subtitles, here you can see once you start uploading, then the graph will appear here. This is about channel analytics. Let's go back now. Everything you need to know about your viewers and your videos will be available here. Now that's all about the channel analytics. If you go down here, last 48 hours, you can see a summary as well. You can see the like count of your subscribers, how many people are